Twin hotels, for us, being able to operate efficiently is very, very important. At the same point in time, what we wanted to do is make sure that we could save costs, be very eco-friendly. Running in 8, 9, 10 different countries right now. And when we sat down with GE, we found that first of all, in terms of cost, eco-friendliness, and most importantly, their scale across all the countries we wanted to go to, it seemed like it was a perfect match.
I think the key difference that the way GE approached us was that it wasn't a case of, here, this is our product, this technical specs, this is the price. So it wasn't putting it together and say, here, do you want it or do you not want it? They approached us in a different level of saying, what do you want? How can we help you achieve it? So they got very involved in the scenario of the design and the technical specifications, how we could enhance it, how we could utilize more lighting with minimal installation, and the key thing was maintenance.
In our discussions with GE, we found that they were the most open to providing this level of support to all of our hotels in a consistent manner along the standards of operating procedures that we require.
So as you can see, the GE product provides great ambient feeling to it. As you step into the building, first impression is critical. The guest needs to feel that in a warm, cozy environment, and the lighting really helps in that. At Twin Hotels, we use 2 LED products. One is the LED baton, and the other one is the LED tetra neon signage. And one of the big differences that we noticed was that the lights were brighter, and it gave us better visibility for the external facade. Every city or town that we go to, Twin Hotels buildings tend to be the landmark in that city. And one of the things that helps contribute to this is the external lighting of the facade. I think one of the things about the GE LED lighting is that the actual product itself looks good. It seems durable, and when you turn it on or when you actually make it function, it comes off and performs well. So you get the lighting that you wanted at a lower energy consumption, energy cost per se.
Traditionally speaking, you will find that most legacy hotels, up to about 40% of their operational costs, can come from energy. Lighting is an important part to that.
We're looking towards energy savings of 30 to 40% across the board by implementing all those changes. Whatever savings that we get, it always translates back to savings that we pass back down to the guests. But we don't have many maintenance staff running around. So whatever product that we put in the building needs to be 1, energy efficient, and 2, very low maintenance cost. So what we found with the GE product so far is that once we've placed it and tested it out, it's been functioning very well, that you spend very minimal time worrying about it.
GE have met all the needs in terms of saving costs. The reason we talk consistently about saving costs is we're able to pass on this cost benefit to our guests.
We're working very closely with GE Lighting towards achieving, we're going to be the first budget chain in Asia to be awarded gold certification under the Green Building Index. So that's something we're working very closely with them, and we're very proud to say that GE is our partner in this.
We recognize that, of course, the Green Building Index was something that we wanted to make sure that we were able to achieve. GE is able to provide a lot of advice given their global reach, and I think it's very much a partnership in terms of working together to make sure that we're able to be certified appropriately, reap the economic benefits, and most importantly, pass all these economic benefits over to our guests. Being green is key. There are certain attributes to being eco-friendly which at GE were able to meet. So our aspirations together with GE, and we're working closely together, is on our existing overall electricity costs, we want to make sure that we can reduce this by a further 30%. And I think as we progress forward into different geographies around the world, we'll find that different products and solutions which GE have will probably be more sensible for us, and at the same point in time more sensible for them.